I can see your chanclas in your oh my god.
These are actually Brandy Melville. Why did I say bleh? The New York and Gothic letters. It's so weird how there's a lot of people who sell Brandy Melville. Like, low key, I don't know, I think they have an obsession or something. Hey everyone, it's Arielle and welcome back to another video. So today's video is very exciting and I've been waiting a little bit to film this video. So yeah, I've been on my YouTube grind. Like, there's some really good videos out you're gonna want to see, so definitely stay subscribed or subscribe down below so you don't miss out on those new videos. So if you guys are wondering, yes, I did get a haircut yesterday. I got like these curtain bangs. They look like really cute. I gotta get used to them because I never had like bangs. I did in the 6th grade, but so we are doing a Depop haul today. So ever since my last video came out of the Nike Dunks, when I was trying to find the Dunks on Depop, I was like, let me see what else they got there. So I was searching and I literally became obsessed with the app and I was buying a bunch of stuff. So I didn't think I was gonna like buy enough stuff to do a video, but here we are doing a video. So you guys, there's a lot of pieces, a lot of very fun, colorful spring pieces. I do have a Depop shop. I'll put it right here or right here, whatever. Definitely go check it out because I got some good things on there. You know, I've sold 2 things so far. Very exciting. So anyways, go check it out and let's get on with the video. Very nice, very nice. Damn, this getting bad fast. Very nice, very nice.
I can see your chanclas in your oh my god.
Oh. Sorry. So starting out with the tops, this is one of the tops that I got kind of to match my shoes because I was looking on what colors matched, like that blue, the coast blue, and orange. I feel like complements really well because there's some blue in the heart and there's this bright orange t-shirt. And this is actually a Tyler Creator shirt. As you can see right here, it says Igor on it and it's a small. I'm pretty sure it might be a men's small. Alright, so for the other tops, I got 4 other tops. 2 of them came in a bundle. Oh my gosh. These are actually Brandy Melville. Why did I say bleh? I don't know, they were just kind of easier to find and cuter in a way, even though I don't really like them, but we'll see what happens. So I got this top. It says New York on it. You already know I gotta get it. Says New York on it, so I gotta get it. So it's really cute, New York tee, baby tee, and it has blue. Is it blue? I'm pretty sure that's blue, like cheetah print right there. And this is the New York and Gothic letters. It's really cute, size small. And then in the bundle came that shirt and this one as well. It's like the same print, cheetah, blue, and it has a little a bow tie. It's just a cropped, you know, really cute tank top for the summer, you know, the vibes. And then in the other bundle are some more Brandy Melville tops. And these are also very cute because I really like these halter tops where it's like a bikini and you like tie it. Really, really cute. And I got it in the blue color because it's so cute for my shoes. So I got this one, and then in the bundle also came this one. I wasn't too crazy about it. I was actually gonna ask for separate, but I was like, you know what, why not? Because it's actually a bundle and I don't want to like give the seller a hassle trying to sell this one also. So I got this one. It's actually cute. It's stripes, little colorful stripes. Also, you know, tie up, which is super cute. So these are also a pair of Brandy Melville cargos. But I didn't know. I was kind of deceived because they didn't fit like how they were. I thought they were. That's why I like when people post try on pictures of everything, like shirt or pants or shorts, whatever, just to see how they fit for reference. So I don't think any of those tops were try-ons, but like kind of new. But like pants especially, I wish there would been a try-on picture. So these fit like straight leg pants, but they're like a little tight, which is okay. For me, I was actually gonna repop them, but I decided not to because I'm selling another pair of cargos that have like this, and they have pockets right here. So yeah, these pair of Korean cargos that I got. And here were the other pants. So these are probably my favorite pants that I got, price wise and fit wise. I think this was this the first purchase that I made? Yeah, this is the first thing that I had ordered from Depop to match my shoes, and it's a custom Nike crew neck. I've seen a bunch of these all over TikTok, and I was like, oh my god, like I gotta try this out. It's so cute. So it's like it's a tan color, and the colors are like a dark blue and a light blue, and it's a size small. Right? Yeah, it's a size small. It's like a perfect nude oversized sweater. Super cute and inexpensive. And now for the pants. So like I was saying, this pair of pants is probably my best find, you know, price wise and everything. So the seller was selling them for I think 16 Canadian dollars or $15, something like that. They were really cheap, and I was like, hold on girlfriend, like those are really cute. And these are brand new cargos. But the fit, you guys, the fit on these you will see in a try on, so good. They fit really well. The sizing is perfect on me. I'm not really sure what these are called. Maybe like, I don't think they're worker pants. There's no tag inside. I tried to like look for it to see what the name is, but they're out by Brandy Melville. That's what they look like close up. They have the pockets on the side and cinches on the ankle, pockets in the back as well, and a belt I think to tighten it. I'm not really sure. It got like wet stain or like water stain on it, if y'all can see right there. Anyways, but these are super cute, and these are actually from Shein. Yeah, they're like a green zebra pattern, sage green zebra pattern. These fit also a little bit big, so I might do like one of those Amazon fake button things where you like stick it in and, you know, adjust it to your sizing. So these are from Shein, size extra small. That's the thing about sizing, like it's super weird. Like no matter if you even get it your size, this might fit big or small, which is, I don't understand like how if you get it true to size and it's small or big, like it's my true size, it shouldn't be small or big, you know what I mean? Anyways, so these, another pair of Brandy Melville pants. I'm telling you guys, I don't know what my exception was in Brandy Melville. I promise you it wasn't on purpose. Promise. So these look like pajama pants, I'm telling you. But guys, trust the vision. I'm planning on getting some Air Forces. So I feel like those Air Forces will look really good with these pants, and they are really soft. These also fit perfect, and they have elastic bands and everything. No pockets though, but they're really cute, and the length is really cute as well. And then lastly for the pants, these are the Paxton jeans. So these black jeans and the zebra print jeans, I got these as a bundle from the same seller, and these also really weird. These are 25 and they fit like my normal size. But the thing is, the length is a little short, so I'm like I said with the sizing, it's so weird. Like, I don't know who makes this stuff up. I don't know. But anyways, so yeah, these are really cute. They're just black patchwork jeans. Like I said, the length is a little short. Like I want them to fit like, you know, a little baggy or a little bit longer at the ends, but you know, it's fine. I'm not gonna dwell over it. And they actually have buttons like this. Kind of annoying, like every time I use the bathroom I gotta button everything up, but it is what it is. So yeah, that is it for the pants, and I actually have 2 shorts. I wanted to make sure that I got some shorts as well, so I got 2 shorts. I might get more, but it's hard to find shorts on Depop. That's like not something that I found a lot of. What I found a lot of was Brandy Melville. That's why I mostly got Brandy Melville. It's so weird how there's a lot of people who sell Brandy Melville. Like, low key, I don't know, I think they have an obsession or something. I don't know. I don't got an obsession with Benny though. I just got an obsession with the app. So anyway, so these Levi's shorts, super cute. I think I came to the conclusion that these might be men's shorts just because of the cut. And in the back over here it says 18 slim, 27 wide, and 29 long. So yeah, they fit really well though. Just a tad big, but like it's not very noticeable at all. These are really good length actually. And then I got another pair of jeans. These are a little bit shorter. They're light wash though, and these fit really well. I think these might be kids. I'm not sure because the size is also different. So yeah, this is the inside tag. Super cute. These shorts are super cute, and I actually do have another pair of Levi's, but I didn't get these from Depop. I got these a while ago, I think in Marshalls a long time ago though. And they still are in good condition. You can see the tag. Really great condition, black. So I got my collection all finished. I got dark, medium wash, and then I have light wash. So you guys definitely go to Depop, alright, and find you some clothes, because I knew I wanted bigger shorts because in Florida you need shorts like no matter what. And I'm actually gonna get rid of a lot of clothes, so that's why I bought some stuff, and that's why I'm selling some stuff as well. I'm definitely gonna be selling a lot more on my Depop, so definitely go check it out, give it a follow, because a lot more stuff. So yeah, there's a lot more stuff that I'm gonna post. Like I have it on my camera, I still haven't posted it yet, but I want to go little by little, you know what I mean, you know, grow with your brand, you know what I mean. So definitely check it out and stay tuned. So that being said, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my mini Depop haul. I got you guys some inspiration for this upcoming spring outfit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more content, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye loves.